Nasty. My seedlings came in the mail from Vigo Garden and I am so excited. You guys know I love them. I have a couple of raised beds from them and I always receive so many compliments, and it's so nice to have the raised beds. I've had them for almost 2 years now and they still practically look brand new. So this is my order. I'm so happy now that they are starting to carry seedlings. This is just a game changer for me because I was able to get them delivered right to my doorsteps. Love the convenience. And of course, I had to have a quality control check from the fur baby. Here are a few of the items that I ordered. I purchased 8 seedlings in total. Of course, just a variety of seedlings. Of course, tomatoes, peppers, eggplant. I'm actually looking forward to canning some of the banana peppers. I absolutely love them and I can't wait to can some of them this year. And of course, items like the cherry tomatoes as well.